So good afternoon to you all. I'm Rutuja, and today I'm going to present on the topic AI chatbots for customer service. All about the course we are discussing today about all the things. Welcome to the course on AI in customer care and engagement. This module focuses on AI chatbots for customer service. Learn how AI chatbots are revolutionizing customer interaction, discover designs, implementation, and optimization strategies. So, this module covers how AI-powered chatbots enhance customer interaction, automate responses, and improve service efficiency. So, I'm starting with the introduction to AI chatbots. Mm, introduction to AI chatbots, we are going to discuss about what are AI chatbots, then types of chatbots, then benefits of chatbots. So first, what are the AI chatbots? So AI chatbots are smart virtual assistant that can talk to people, answer questions, and help with various tasks. They are use artificial intelligence and natural language processing to understand human language and respond in the way that feels like natural. Then, unlike old-fashioned chatbots that follow fixed scripts, AI-powered chatbots learn from conversations, understand the context, and provide better responses over the time. So, as we know that day by day, the chatbots are improving because we are training them to improve themselves. In traditional chatbots, we have very less features, but now they are improved much better than traditional ones. So you can find AI chatbots in websites just like customer support chat windows, then messaging apps. The everyone is using WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger. So every app nowadays, every app have their own chatbots. Then voice assistant like Siri, Alexa, Google Assistant. They are also AI chatbots. They help businesses by answering customer questions, booking appointments, then recommending products, and many more. So now I'm going to discuss about how chatbots have evolved over the time. Chatbot is not a new concept. It started decades ago with a simple program that could stimulate basic conversation. Over time, AI and machine learning made chatbots smarter. For example, I wanted to discuss some chatbots. The first chatbot that was Eliza, that was developed in 1966. The Eliza is a simple chatbot that only responses for a few questions. That was also a rule-based chatbot. Means, for example, if I said I feel sad, then Eliza might be reply that why do you feel sad? Means only the scripted one, nothing else than that. Then we have the chatbot developed in 1995, that is Alice. Then IBM Western in 2010. Then Google Assistant, Siri, and Alexa in 2010. And now the modern chatbots like ChatGPT, we all knows that was developed in 2020. The ChatGPT can hold a detailed conversation, generate human-like responses, and assist with customer support, writing, and more. For example, online shopping assistant that recommended us product based on your previous purchases. Just like they uh, they analyze our previous purchases or whatever we have interested in, and the chatbot automatically understand whatever we are interested in. Means what the user are interested in, they show only the that type of product to user. So this type of development we needed in future also, and we are improving our system also. So now I want to discuss about types of chatbots. So there are three types of chatbots. First is a rule based chatbot, then AI powered chatbot, and the third one is a hybrid chatbot. The first one is the rule-based chatbots. The in rule-based chatbots, follow pre-written script and answer only specific questions. The rule-based chatbots are good for only simple tasks, and they struggle with the complex queries. If we given them very long question, they will be confused, because they can't handle that much of query or that much of pressure. Right. For example, a bank chatbot that replies, your account balance is like $10,000. Then, when asked about balance but can't answer deeper financial questions, this type of chatbots is called rule-based chatbots. Then we have AI-powered chatbots. In AI-powered chatbots, we use machine learning to understand question and improve over time, can personalize responses based on past interactions. For example, a chatbot on an e-commerce site that suggests product based on what you have searched for before. That I discussed in previous examples. So that type of chatbot called as AI-powered chatbots. Then the hybrid chatbots. So the hybrid chatbot is combined of a rule-based and AI learning for better conversation. And the hybrid chatbots can pass difficult queries to human agent when needed. For example, a customer support chatbot that helps with the common issues like tracking an order, then uh, solving the complex problem. This is all can done by the hybrid chatbots. Um, Then, why chatbots are important for customer services, or the benefits of the chatbots we are discussing. Uh, why chatbots are important in customer services? The main reason behind it is 24 by 7 availability. Means we are humans and we cannot available for peoples or user for 24 by 7 time. So we need someone to handle the task all the time. So the chatbots is very important for this time. uh, because of the availability of the chatbot, no waiting time, get instant responses anytime. Then the cost efficiency means reduces the need for large customer support teams. Then personalized services, scalability, can handle thousands of customer at the same time. The human cannot handle the thousands of customer at the same time, but chatbot can. So we need the technology. Then data insights, analyze conversation to improve customer experiences. For example, in a restaurant, chatbot noticing that many customers ask about uh, vegan options and promoting the restaurant to add more vegan dishes. So all the things are uh, doing by itself by chatbot. So in conclusion of this slide, I want to say that AI chatbots are revolutionary customer service by making interaction faster, smarter, and more convenient. Whether it's helping with the shopping, answering question, or managing bookings, AI chatbots improve customer experiences while reducing business costs. As businesses adopt AI-driven chatbots, knowing how they work and their benefits can help professionals make the most of this technology. So I hope you understand this slide all about the AI chatbots, then the types of chatbots, and the benefits of chatbots. Then we will go to next slide. So the next topic I want to discuss is natural language processing. So the natural language processing is just like a brain of a chatbot. Without this technology, we cannot proceed through further with a chatbot, because the natural language processing is like bridges the gap between human communication and machine understanding, allowing chatbots to engage in meaningful conversations. Um, huh. So imagine chatting with a customer service bot that actually understand your questions and gives you the right answer, just like a human. This is possible because of natural language processing. If this technology doesn't exist, then we can't proceed with the chatbots. So, like natural language processing is a technology that helps chatbots understand, process, and response to human language. It uses AI, machine learning, and linguistic to make chatbot conversation more natural and useful. So what is mean by linguistic? If you guys don't understand about linguistic, I will explain it to you. That means like multi-language. Chatbots also help with a multi-language. Like if you belong to different state, then you can use your language with chatbot. So that is a new technology with chatbots. Um, then I want to discuss some modern chatbots, what the modern chatbot can do. The first one is understand context. Remember what was said earlier in the conversation. Means whatever the conversation happens or whatever we did with chatbots, they can remember all the things mm, the further future communication being better with that. And then detect emotions. Recognize if a user is happy, frustrated, or confused. All the things are done by chatbots. Then improve over time. Learn from the past conversation to get better at responding. As I tell you earlier, then why does this matter? The businesses use NLP powered chatbots to provide faster, smarter, and more human like customer support without needing a few human agent for every question. So this is all about NLP, and now I am going to discuss how NLP works in chatbots. So, for working of NLP in chatbots, we have various steps involved in it. The first step is text pre-processing. So, what is meant by text pre-processing technique? The cleaning up the text. Before a chatbot understand a message, it first clean and structure the text. Hello, sir. Are you able to hear me or not?
We all can hear you, Rutuja.
Yes,
Doing
sir.
good,
Oh,
doing good. No issue.
okay, thank you. So, the first one is text pre-processing. So what is meant by text pre-processing? It is a cleaning up the text. Means before a chatbot understand a message, it first cleans and structure the text. So the various steps involved in text pre-processing is first is tokenization. So tokenization means splitting a sentence into words. For example, if I said my name is Rutuja, then chatbot can tokenize it. Tokenize it means like my name is Rutuja. It splits every word, so it will be simpler. The second one is lemonization and steaming. Means converting word to their base form. If I am running, then chatbot convert it into run. If I am walking, then chatbot convert it into walk. So all the tenses are converted to present tense. This is called lemonization and stringing. Then the third step is stop word removal. Stop word removal means like words like the, is, and that don't add much meaning. All these words are removed by chatbot to make the text simpler. So this one is the first process when we are working with NLP in chatbots, the text processing. Then the second step is intent recognition. So intent recognition means understanding what the user want. Mm, the chatbot detects the user purpose by analyzing keywords and the sentence structure. I want to give an example for that. Just like I am a user and the chatbot. So user is asking, where is my order? Then chatbot identifies order tracking as the user intent. Just like then name entity recognition. The chatbot identifies key details like name, location, date, number. Just if the user asks chatbot, book a flight from New York to London on March 15, then chatbot recognize that the departure location is New York, the destination location is London, and the date on which we have to book the flight is 15 March. So that's how chatbot describe the text in simpler manner, or remember the keywords, or split all that is done by natural language processing. Then the fourth one is context understanding, mean keeping track of conversation. Just like a smart chatbot remembers what was the earlier said. As I discussed earlier, chatbot remember all the things we discussed earlier. For example, if I want to order a laptop, and and then bot chatbot ask me which laptop we want looking for or anything, then I said I want a Dell laptop. Then he, uh, the chatbot remember that or understand that the Dell is representing the laptop. So this type of question or this type of things are automatically understood by chatbot. So we do not guide them that Dell is a laptop. That's how chatbot works. Then the fifth one is 1 minute. Then the fifth one is sentiment analysis. Sentiment analysis means detecting human emotions. Just like the chatbot check if the user is happy, angry, upset based on their words. Like if we type something rudely on chatbot, they will understand that our mood is happy or not, or how is our mood. For example, I am really unhappy with my order, then chatbot detects negative sentiments and accelerate the issues with human agent. Then the sixth one is response generation, giving the right answers. Once the chatbot understands the question, it generates a response using real rule-based responses, then machine learning-based responses, and generative model like GPT-based chatbots. So this is all about how NLM works in a chatbot. Then mm, then we have why NLM is important in chatbot. NLM chatbot offers huge benefits for businesses and customers. The first one is better customer experience, then lower cost, then 24 by 7 availability, then data insight. So all these are the benefits of NLM whenever we are using NLM in chatbot. Importance of NLM in a chatbot. So as all things have some benefits and some challenges, so this one is also have one challenge, have challenges. So challenges in LLM with chatbots. First is understanding complex queries. So multi-intent or question can confuse chatbot. Means if we have so much confusing question, then it really affect the chatbot. If we write a long paragraph to chatbot, then chatbot will not going to understood it for for some times, like not every time, but it can happen for sometimes. Then second one is maintaining the long conversations. Yeah, I discuss about that. Then understanding sarcasm and humor. Like if you pass any joke with chatbot, it will not going to means the chatbot will not going to understood that you are doing joke with him. So these are the challenges you have to deal with chat whenever you have to deal with chatbots. So what is solution for these challenges? Deep learning models, continuous training, and human AI hybrid system improve chatbot accuracy. Then A real world application of and LM chatbots are customer support automation, e-commerce recommendation, virtual assistant, then healthcare support, HR and recruitment. So in customer support automation, chatbots answer common queries like billing, refunds, and account issues. In e-commerce recommendation, chatbots suggest product based on customer preferences. And in virtual assistant, smarter assistant like Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant use NLP for commands. For example, hey Alexa, set a reminder for my meeting at 3 a.m. 3 p.m. So it will set meeting for us. Then in healthcare support, chatbot helps with appointment booking and symptom checking also. So this is all about the real life application of NLP chatbots. Uh, then in conclusion, I want to say that NLP is the brain of AI chatbots, enabling them to understand, process, and respond intelligently to human language. By using NLP, businesses can enhance customer engagement, automate support, and improve efficiency. As AI continue to advance, NLP chatbots will become even more accurate, personalized, and human-like in conversation. So, my final thought about NLP chatbots are not just a robot; they are a future of a smart and interactive communication. Uh, so, this is all about this slide. Now, I want to discuss designing AI chatbots for customer support. So whenever we are designing any AI chatbot for customer support, like any website for any messaging app or anything, so we have to follow the following step that I will cover soon. Uh, so in introduction, AI chatbots are changing the way businesses support customers. They provide instant answers, automate common tasks, and improve the customer experiences. A well-designed chatbot can handle many inquiries, reducing wait times and improving service qualities. This presentation will guide you through the key steps in designing an effective AI chatbot. So the first step, that is, of course, planning. Planning defines goals and target audience, determine key use cases of chatbots. So in planning, we have understanding businesses need. Like before creating a chatbot, ask this question to whom, for whom you are developing a chatbot or designing a chatbot. Like what type of question will it answer? Then, should it rule based or AI powered? Will it support multiple language or not? On which platform will it be available? Like which, on website or WhatsApp or Messenger or anything? Then, how will it transfer complex issues to human agents? All these questions we have to ask before developing or before designing a chatbot for anyone. Then choosing the right type of chatbot. So as we know, we have three types of chatbot here. First one is rule based chatbot, second one is AI powered chatbot, and hybrid chatbot. So from all of these we have to define, or we have to know that what type of chatbot we have to use before developing the bot. Then designing a conversation flow. A good chatbot should feel natural and helpful. First is greeting and onboarding. Start with a friendly introduction. For example, hi, I am a virtual assistant. How can I help? This one is like every chatbot is starting यही होती है सब chatbots की. Then understanding user intent, recognize what the user needs. For example, where is my order? Then bot will reply, please provide your order number. Then providing relevant responses, give clear and useful answers. Handling errors, ask for a clarification if needed. For example, user, tell me about your services. Then chatbot will response. Which services do you need help with? Billing, refund, or account management, just like that. All the things are listed in chatbots, like which type of services you want, or what type of things you want. Then accelerating to human agent, transfer complex issues smoothly. So this is all about designing the conversation flow, then developing the actual chatbot. Then popular platform for building the chatbots are Google Dialog Flow. Actually, I don't know much about this platform because I didn't use it, but I only list out what types of platform we can use. The first one is Google Dialog Dialog Flow, then IBM Western Assistant, then Rasha, and Microsoft Bot Framework. So these four is we can use for building the chatbot. Then steps to deploy a chatbot. First, train the chatbot with sample conversation. Then develop AI model to understand user intent. Then connect it to databases and APIs. APIs means application programming interface for customer information. Then test it using real world scenarios before the launch. Uh, then integrating with business system. Integrating with business system means integrating with CRM and customer relationship management. It's like we have to integrate the chatbot with all the database we have. For better services, chatbot should be connected with CRM system, just like Salesforce, HubSpot, to retrieve customer history. Then e-commerce platform, Shopify, uh, for order tracking. Then payment gateways like PayPal, Stripes to handle payments. Then help desk software for transferring tickets to human agent. Then personalizing the chatbot experiences. A chatbot should feel personalized, not a robotic. It can remember past interaction for better responses, address customer by name, offer recommendation based on the previous chat. Just like we have to feel that the chatbot is our friend, not a robot, so that the chatbot should remember our name, our address, then our past conversation with chatbot. So all the things are happen in chatbot. Then testing and deployment. Before launching, test the chatbot thoroughly. We have to check the chatbot thoroughly if there is any error. If if any error is exists, then we have to fix it, and then we have to or uh, deploy it. The first is testing. The testing method we have, the first is unit testing, user testing, and A by B testing. So the one is unit testing, checking individual chatbot function. Then user testing means letting real users try it and provide feedback. यूजर टेस्टिंग मीन्स रियल यूजर उसको चेक करेंगे कि ये सही से काम कर रहा है या नहीं. देन ए बाय बी टेस्टिंग मीन्स कंपेयरिंग डिफरेंट वर्जन्स टू सी विच वर्क्स बेस्ट. लाइक डिफरेंट वर्जन्स हो गए हमारे पास, और we have to check one by one which one is best, then we have to deploy it in market or in to the user. Then where to deploy. So this one is also a problem, where to deploy a chat box. We can deploy a chat box on website or on mobile apps. Then mobile apps like messaging apps like WhatsApp, then Facebook Messenger, then voice assistant like Alexa, Google Assistant. So all these platforms are for deploying the chatbot. Then monitoring and optimization. After launching, monitor chatbot performance and make improvement. Just like response time, resolution rate, user satisfaction, drop off rate. We have to monitor all the things whenever we are discussing or whenever we are developing the chatbot. After developing the chatbot, actually, how to improve the chatbot, and if there is some problem or if the user is not satisfied with our chatbot, then how to improve the chatbot. Then we have to do update its AI training data, then expand its knowledge base, and the third one is improve its conversational flow. um, this is all about a chatbot. In conclusion, I want to say that designing an AI chatbot involves careful planning, smart AI models, and continuous improvement. A well-designed chatbot enhances customer satisfaction, reduces costs, and improves business efficiency. Um, this is all about designing AI chatbot for customer support. I hope you all understood whatever I explained. Mm, the next one is training and deploying AI chatbot. Training and deploying the AI chatbot mainly involves data collection, model training, and deployment. Data collection means gather relevant training data, use real customer interaction and feedback. Data collection means we have to just train it. We have to do more and more conversation with the chatbots so that it will be trained. AI chatbots are digital assistant that can talk to user, answer question, and help with a task like tracking orders, booking appointment, or troubleshooting the problems. Companies use AI chatbots to improve customer services, reduce wait times, and automate common support tasks. To build a chatbot, we need train it. We need to train it. It understand user and response correctly and deploy it, so people can use it on websites, app, messaging platforms, and all the things. So how do chatbots learn? As we discussed earlier, the one technique is natural language processing, and the second one is the machine learning to understand and respond to user. So these two techniques are used to train the chatbots. Mm, Imagine training a chatbot is like teaching a child a new language. I want to give one example for this so that it will be easy to understand. So, imagine training a chatbot is like a teaching a child a new language. First, you give it word and sentence, just like data means if we are the think like we are giving data to chatbot, then you teach it to recognize pattern and meaning. This is called training, and finally you test if it understand correctly, and this is called the testing. A well-trained chatbot should understand different ways people ask the same question. Means कितना भी घुमा फिरा कर उसको पूछ लो, but he will be going to give you the correct answer because he is well trained chatbot. Then recognize important words like names, date, locations. The chatbot should recognize the important word. Means once we tell the chatbot this is called this, then he must recognize that words and use it in future conversation. Then keep learning from real conversation to improve over time. Then we have collecting data for training. Just like a person learn by reading books and learning to conversation, chatbots need training data to learn how to respond. Where does this data come from? And now the question arises is where does this data is come from? So the first source of this data is customer support chats from the past conversation with the customer. For example, if many people ask, where is my order? The chatbot learn that this is the tracking request. Then frequently asked questions and knowledge base. pre-written answer to common question. For example, a banking chatbot can use frequently asked question to answer, how do I reset my password? Because these are the frequently asked question. We also do these types of things like, how do I reset my password, how to change username. So all the things is remembered by chat box. Then manually created dialogues, sample conversation written by developer. For example, simulating a chat where is user ask for a Wi-Fi troubleshooting guide. Mm. Then next we have cleaning the data. Before using this data, we must clean and organize it so the chatbot understand better. Uh, this part is discussed earlier, in cleaning up the data, how chatbot cleans their data to understand it better. Then we have training the chatbot with AI. Mhm. Once we have good data, we train the chatbot to recognize user intent and entities detail like product names or dates. Intent recognition. Imagine you work at a pizza shop and get these messages. Where is my pizza? I want to track my order. My order is late. Then all this means the same thing now. The user wants order tracking. The chatbot group this under one intent, and order tracking intent is called order tracking intent. Some AI models for these simple models, and the advanced model is like chat GPT. So this is all about training and deploying the AI chatbots. Training and deploying an AI chatbot is a continuous process of data collection, training, testing, deployment, and improvement. A good chatbot saves business time, improve customer experience, and automate the repetitive task. Then next we have integration, integrating the chatbot into customer service workflow. So imagine you message a company chatbot asking about your order, and instead of just saying please provide your order number, it replies, "Hey Rutuja, I see you order a pair of sneakers on January 15th, and your order is on the way and should arrive by January 20. Let me know if you need help." So this sounds very cool. And this is only possible when the chatbot are connected with CRM. CRM means customer service management system, and a support platform. This integration allows chatbot to remember customer details, provide instant answer instead of making customer repeat information, then transfer complex issues to human agent when necessary. This is all. This task is done by CRM. CRM, when we are dealing with the chatbot must be integrated with CRM. It will give us more convenient answer and more efficient answer to us. In short, a chatbot becomes smart virtual assistant instead of just answering the basic questions. Understanding chatbot integration with CRM and support system. So first is, what is CRM? CRM is a customer relationship management system. Store customer information like name and contact details, then the past orders and complaints, then preferences and previous chats. Then how does a chatbot work with a CRM? Let's see. You message a bank chatbot asking, where is my credit card balance? If the chatbot is not connected to the CRM, then it will reply that please log into your account to check your balance. And if the chatbot is connected to CRM, then it will instantly reply that check the CRM, reply that your balance is something like, uh, and your bill is due to on February or February 5th. Would you like to pay now? So this is the difference between uh, when chatbot is connected with CRM system or not. So a CRM system makes very much difference in chatbots. The key benefits of integrating the chatbots with CRM system is personalized customer interaction. First is personalized customer interaction. A chatbot can use CRM data to personalize responses. For example, a customer asks, "Do I have any reward point?" Then the chatbot replies, "Yes, you have a 500 reward points. Would you like to use them for the discount or not?" So this is called personalized customer interaction. Then the second one is instant data access and update. Chatbot can fetch and update customer details without asking them to enter information again. For example, a customer changes their email address while chatting with the chatbot. The chatbot updates the CRM automatically, so the next time they contact support, their new email is already saved. So this is happen when CRM is connected with chatbot. The third one is faster issue resolution. Means chatbots can work with support system like Zendex or Salesforce for create tickets for unresolved problems, then assign tickets to the right human agents, then give updates on ticket status. For example, a chatbot detects a customer issue is too complex and says, "I am escalating this to our support team. Your ticket number is hashtag 1234. A human agent will contact you in 2 hours." So, how chatbots help in different industry? The chatbot will help in e-commerce and retail industries, then banking and financial services, then in healthcare and telemedicines. This is all about chatbot. CRM integration of CRM with chatbots. The how chatbot CRM integration work. The first technique is API based integration, application programming interface based integration. So think of a API as a bridge that allows two system, means chatbot and CRM, to talk to each other. Means API is a bridge between CRM and chatbot, and that allows the both the system to integrate, means to connect with each other. When a customer asks, for example, when a customer asks, "Where is my order?" The chatbot sends a request. Then what happened? Like uh, chatbot sends a request to CRM via API. The CRM responds with the real-time tracking update, and then the chatbot show the details to the customer. This is what happened when when the any user asks any question to chatbot. This is all the background things happen between chatbot and the CRM, and the bridge between them is API. Then the second technique is, the first one is API based integration. The second one is webhooks and event based triggers. In second one, the webhook sends update automatically when something changes in CRM. For example, a chatbot notifies a customer, your your support ticket about login issues has been resolved. Let us know if you need further assistance. Then the third one is AI and machine learning enhancement. Some chatbots use AI and machine learning to predict the customer need. So this is all about the how chatbots are integrated with CRM. These three techniques are very important And if you can note down it, you please note down it. Then challenges and the best practices in chatbot CRM integration. The most of the challenges are data security and privacy, then API limitations and handling complex queries. In data security and privacy, chatbot handles sensitive customer information, so businesses must follow laws like GDPR. Then API limitation. Some CRM system limits how many times a chatbot can access data. This one is also one of the most important challenge in CRM integration with chatbot. Handling complex queries. Some customer issues still require human help. Means some customers like chatbot can't understood the requirement of some customers. So we still require human help there. Then in conclusion, I want to say that integrating chatbots with CRM and support system helps businesses offer personalized customer services, automate common tasks and save time, improve customer satisfaction with quick responses. As AI technology improves, chatbots will become even smarter, provide predictive insights and real-time automation. Businesses that adopt chatbot CRM integration will stay ahead of competitor and build strong customer relationship. So this is all about the customer service, sorry, CRM with integration with chatbots. Then we have evolution and optimizing chatbot performance. So, once an AI chatbot is deployed for customer support, continuous evaluation and optimization are crucial to enhance efficiency, accuracy, and user satisfaction. This process involves tracking key performance metrics, collecting user feedback, and making interactive improvement. So, these three are very important metrics, feedbacks, and iterations. Uh, so key performance matrices for chatbot evaluations. Wait. Huh. The key performance matrices for chatbot evaluation are measuring chatbot performance requires both qualitative and quantitative matrices. Uh, First one is accuracy and understanding matrices, intent recognition rate. Intent recognition rate means measure how accurately the chatbot understand user queries. Then we also have one formula for intent recognition rate, that is correctly identified intent divided by total user queries into 100. This is the formula for intent recognition rate. Then we have entity extraction accuracy. It means accesses the chatbot's ability to extract relevant details important for personalized responses. Then we have word error rate. Rate means major errors in speech recognition. Means how many times we make the error, that will record in word error rate. Then we have user experience matrix. User experience matrix, user satisfaction score, then a net promoter score, response time, average session length. This is all important in user experience matrix. The first one is user satisfaction score, collected through post interaction surveys. This is collected through post interaction surveys, helps the chatbot effectiveness in resolving issues. Then net promoter score means measures how likely users are to recommended the chatbot. Then third one is response time. Evaluates how quickly the chatbot responses. Ideally, response time should be within a few seconds. If your chatbot is not responding within a few seconds, then we have to look at the errors. And then the fourth one is average session length. Like too short and too long. Too short means user leave quickly, possibly due to poor responses. Then too long, the chatbot might be struggling to respond queries effectively. So this all these are matrices we have to deal with. Uh, Then third one is efficiency and resolution matrix. In efficiency and resolution matrix, we have self-service resolution rate, human handoff rate, then failure rate. Uh, then I want to discuss about feedback. So the gathering user feedback for chatbot improvement. So the we all know that nowadays the feedback is become the very essential part whenever we deal with any technology. Just like we are actually जब भी हम किसी होटल में भी जाते हैं तो हम रेटिंग देख के ही जाते हैं. तो रेटिंग इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, मीन्स यूजर feedback or rating is very important. So, for direct user feedback helps identify weaknesses and to refine chatbot interaction. To the key methods to know the feedback. The first one is explicit feedback collection. Then second one is implicit feedback analysis. And the Yeah, only two are there. The first one is explicit feedback collection. Explicit feedback collection means uh, surveys and rating. Surveys and rating ask user to rate responses, then collect qualitative feedback through open-ended questions. Then thumbs up, down, or emoji reactions that will also help in feedback. Just like a quick way to sentiment on chatbot responses. If we doesn't want to give long passages or doesn't want to write long passages or anything, so we can only respond with thumbs up, thumbs down, or any emoji that react to our experience with chatbot. Then the second type of feedback analysis is implicit feedback analysis. In implicit feedback analysis, we have analyzing chat logs, identify repeated user frustrations, common failures, and frequent hands-off on to the human agent. The second one is sentiment analysis, means uses natural language processing to detect whether user are happy, neutral, or frustrated. Can highlight dissatisfaction trends also. And the third one is drop off rate. High drop off rates during interactions suggest poor chatbot responses. So this type of we can use these two methods to analyze the feedback of user, and by analyzing the feedback of user we can improve our chatbot. So the feedback is very important, or very essential also whenever we are deploying a chatbot in market. The third one is iterations. The iterative optimization of a chatbot performance. Improving chatbot performance requires a continuous cycle of analysis, adjustment, and testing. The refining natural language processing models. Train the chatbot with more diverse dataset to improve the intent recognition. Then add synonyms and industry-specific jargon. Then improve entity extraction with more label data. Then enhancing conversational flow. Identify bottleneck in conversation and restructure flow. Add clarify question when user input is unclear. Then implement fallback responses to guide user when the chatbot doesn't understand. Then the third one is reducing human hands-off rates. Implement knowledge based integration for better self-service. Use AI powered recommendation to provide better answers. Then A by B technique testing responses. This one is I discussed earlier. Continuous learning and update. Yeah, this one is also very important. Continuous learning and update. The chatbot is learning from all the its history, from its all history, like all past conversation. Regularly update the chatbot with new frequently asked question and trending issues. Use reinforcement learning techniques to improve accuracy over the time. So this is all about matrices, feedback, and iteration. Uh, while we are discussing about evaluation and optimization of a chatbot performance, in conclusion, I want to say that evaluating and optimizing chatbot performance is a continuous process. By tracking key performance metrics, collecting user feedback, and making iterative improvement, chatbot can become more accurate, more efficient, and user friendly. This ensures better customer experience and higher automation success rate in customer supports. So the next one is optimizing chatbot performance. Optimizing chatbot performance. Uh, for optimizing chatbot performance, we discussed this method earlier, and that's like analysis, testing, and training. We discuss all the testing techniques of AI chatbot. Then also discuss about the trainings and analytics means the prior data we given to chatbot. Mm, then next I want to discuss about the industry application and real life case studies of the chatbots. So the first is e-commerce. In application, personalized shopping assistant recommended product based on user preferences. Then order tracking and support provide a real-time update on order and deliveries. Cart recovery bots recommended customer about cards and offer discounts. Then customer service automation answers frequently asked questions, processes returns, and manage complaints. Then on e-commerce, I also want to discuss one case study of H&M. H&M is very top branch or well-known branch to us. If we have a problem like customers struggle to find the right fashion item, then the chatbot, the H&M is developed a chatbot on Click and then H&M chatbot on Kik and its website recommends outfit based on the user preference and style quizzes. Increase in engagement and personalized shopping experiences. So, in e-commerce, like in shopping websites, like H&M, that use their personalized chatbot to help the customer. And then in healthcare, uh, application in healthcare are symptom checking and diagnosis assistant, then appointment scheduling, then medication reminder, then mental health support. In appointment scheduling automates doctor appointment and reminders. Then in medication reminders send alert for making prescribed medication. Mental health support means AI therapy bots like Webhot provide emotional support. Uh, then in finance also we have many application of chatbot and also case studies. In finance, chatbot have application like fraud detection and prevention. AI chatbot monitors suspicious transaction and notify the user. Then automated banking assistant handles balance inquiries, fund transfer, and account management. Then personal finance management provide budgeting insights and investment advice. Then loan and credit support assist in loan application and eligibility. Then hospitality. In hospitality, we have application like AI powered services, hotel booking and check-in automation, then customer support, multilingual assistant, support traveler by providing information in multiple language. Customer support means answer guest inquiries about the hotel policies and amenities. In the hotel booking and check-in automation means speed up the reservation, and self-checkings is also allowed by chatbots. So this is all about the applications of chatbots and the case studies. This case study highlights how AI chatbots are revolutionizing in industry by improving customer experiences, efficiency, and the engagement. So the last one is AI, the future of AI powered customer service, and the conclusion. AI-powered customer service is rapidly evolving, driven advancement in natural language processing, machine learning, and automation. Uh, uh, then in AI power, the future of AI-powered customer service, we have 24/7 availability. Then 90% of efficiency means faster resolution. Then 30% of cost saving. They are making it cost effective also. This is all about the future of AI powered customer service. Mm, Also, some of them are hyper personalized with AI and human collaboration. Then AI driven multi-channel support, predictive customer support, then ethical AI and trust building. This is all the future of AI powered customer services. So in conclusion, I want to say that the integration of AI in customer services is not just a trend but is a fundamental shift in how businesses interact with customer. AI powered solution enhance efficiency, improve responses time, and enable businesses to deliver superior customer experiences at a scale. um, by understanding and leveraging AI for customer care, businesses can enhance engagement, improve customer loyalty, and drive long term growth. This course equips learners with knowledge to design, implement, and optimize AI driven customer support system for the future. That's all. Thank you.